Hey guys, if you are looking for best portable car heater, you choice right video. Today we going to review top 5 best portable car heater. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also, we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at Tixience 12V car heater. The Tixience heater is a small dash-mounted window defroster. It has holes for permanent mounting and uses a pure copper cable and a built-in fuse for automatic safety shut-off. This heater also has a fan mode that can be used to provide a cool breeze in the hotter months. This portable heater is good for defogging your window or helping to defrost your window. It adds some heat and may help some if your car's heater is broken, but shouldn't be relied on as an interior car warmer. It can also blow cool air when your car gets too hot. As a 12.0V device, the Tixience does not put out a significant amount of warm air. However, it does generate enough heat to help warm and defog a windshield. If your car heater is broken, this can help with defrosting as well. The Tixience does add some heat to the cabin, though not enough to warm drivers on the chilliest days. Now our second choice is Sunny Color 12V seat cushion. The Sunny Color seat cushion turns any vehicle seat into a heated seat. The velour cover attaches to your seat and can be warmed to 3 different settings. Not only can this cushion add some extra comfort to your car seat, but it can also help keep you toasty. If you'd rather not use a gas-powered heat source in your car, a seat warmer like the Sunny Color is probably your next best bet. You won't find any 12.0V car heater able to warm you as well, except maybe for an electric blanket. This heater can act as a good supplement to your car's heating system by working faster to get you warm on cold days. This is a cheaper alternative to installing heated seats. This seat cover installs easily and fits snugly. It didn't bunch or tear during our test. It is also quite soft and comfortable, more comfortable than the factory cloth seats in our test vehicle. This cover works well just as a seat cushion. Now number 3, Mr. Heater Little Buddy. The Mr. Heater Little Buddy is something between the golf cart heater and the portable buddy. It isn't designed for vehicle use like the golf cart heater and therefore is less stable. However, it offers more heating power than the golf cart heater but in a much smaller package than the portable buddy. The Little Buddy is similar to the portable buddy in that you shouldn't use it in a moving vehicle. This is a good pick for those planning to car camp or if you are going to sleep in your vehicle. It's not as large as the Little Buddy, but it lasts longer and may be a good pick for those with smaller cars that don't want the full heat of the Little Buddy. The independent power supply means you don't need to wear down your car's battery. The Little Buddy is very similar to the golf cart heater, with the 2 main differences being an increased heat output and a slightly larger package. While easy to carry, there isn't a great spot to put the Little Buddy in your car. We could put it in our vehicle's cup holder, but it's not exactly stable while driving. We don't recommend using the Little Buddy in a moving vehicle. At number 4, Mr. Heater Portable Buddy. The final 2 selections for this list are not designed to be used in a moving vehicle. However, these are both warm, portable heaters with multiple safety features. As mentioned, a 12.0V heater is unlikely to output much heat. In especially cold locations and seasons, you'll need something stronger. The Mr. Heater Portable Buddy throws a significant amount of heat. It is easy to handle and use, which is why we recommend it for larger cabs. Keep in mind that you won't want to use this in a moving vehicle and only in a ventilated cab. This heater turns on fast and heats up very quickly. For a small car like our test vehicle, the heat is too much. If you're sleeping in a large cab or truck, the Portable Buddy could get you through frigid evenings. The Mr. Heater Portable Buddy would be good for those sleeping in larger vehicles. It isn't a good option to use in a car while driving or any small space. However, the high heat output and independent power source make it an option that will actually keep you warm and won't wear down your car battery. This is also a good pick for those going on a road trip who plan to camp. While it can work in a ventilated cab, the Portable Buddy is best used as an outdoor heater. And our last product is Mr. Heater Golf Cart Heater. This 4000.0 BTU heater is designed for golf cart use but can also be used in a car. It includes a cup holder adapter to fit in a center console, as well as safety features like an oxygen depletion system and tip-over switch. Because the Mr. Heater Golf Cart Heater is propane-powered, you should only use this heater in a ventilated area, which means don't use it in your car with the windows up. If you're driving on the highway, this won't work as a portable heater since the incoming cold air will cancel out any warming effects. However, this heater is quite powerful and in a slow-moving or stationary car can keep you warm. It is much more powerful than any plug-in 12.0V portable car heater could be, which is why we've made it our top pick. Note that you will need a propane tank to use this heater. The golf cart heater is good for providing a lot of warmth, above what a 12.0V portable car heater could be expected to provide. It isn't good for warming your car while driving on the highway, as it can only be safely operated with the windows down for proper ventilation. Because it's so portable, it's also good to take camping or to carry with you to a work site. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.